Reading a book is more than just turning pages. It's a deeply enriching experience that opens the door to imagination, knowledge, and personal growth. Through the written word.
Open CapCut. Tap New Project and add your video. This work on mobile and desktop. Now click on the text. Then choose auto caption. Select the language. Click on the generate button.
Reading a book is more than just turning pages. It's a deeply enriching experience.
You can style your caption with font, colors, and effect to match your video vibe.
Reading helps improve vocabulary, focus, and critical thinking skills, making it a valuable habit for learners of all ages. Whether enjoying a gripping novel, a thought-provoking nonfiction title, or a beautifully illustrated children's story, books help build empathy and expand one's understanding of the world.